Hello folks, a gator here in the museum. uh, I think 3 months in, good 3 months, maybe more. I just received, it's a special trottle that I had ordered. It's, hang on, I'll give you the exact number. It's KTLCD9 e-bike display and throttle. Took over 3 months to come from the other side of the pond. Here it is. See, it's got a throttle on it, and it's got a little display with when I first ordered it, I think it was 40 some bucks. Now it's I think it's 60 some bucks. It went up in price, and I don't know. But anyways, why I want to show you this, it took a long time to come, but see these little connectors here? There's one there. This is I found the match for this. This there's only one wire, one white wire in there. Well, I may have to change this one to a 6 to plug into the e-bike, because that's what the controller's got. But for now, I'm just kind of showing you this. And yeah. See on this side, I don't know if you can see that. Oh my God. See the silver part in there? You just take something sharp and you just press on that. Okay, you press on that and you pull the wire and it'll come out of the connector. And then you'll be left on this one here, well, it's either a male or a female. You'll be left, hang on, I don't know if this will, see that folks? See the little hooky in there? That's what you gotta push in to be able to draw it out. And that's the male. The female part, I'm gonna show you. Don't get excited, and then we're gonna go into an exercise. See, whoa, I was better with my other hand. This here, these here, I should say. See, those are the female part. So this is not work for my big hands, but I manage. See, and when you got the two connectors, well, these will plug one into the other when it's done right. See, hang on. I don't know if this will show. See, it's when it's done right, it'll plug together. But what we're doing today, is we're doing. I was gonna show you another way, but I'm not gonna bother. Hang on, I'll lower yes. Yeah, right there, eh? About, can you see? Okay, now we're gonna cut a few of these. Now I realize the little dikes that Steve had there, I never in my life needed them yet, but they would be handy to have now with little stuff like this, I tell you. I don't know if this is zoomed in into the right spot, eh? Yeah. Okay, well, I'll try to keep this in in perspective. It's gonna be hard. Okay, now we have a tool. Okay, this is what, well, these, see, I made a few of them. Ooh, Hang on, where are we here? Yeah, I made a few of them, but I want to show you how. First off, you put your connect. First off, you know what you do is you squeeze. Hang on, you squeeze these pliers. See how open it is on this side, and on this side it's closed. Well, the closed side. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Hey, I'm just a beginner at this, eh? So you have to be forgiving a little bit. Okay. Now, I'm gonna... big butter fingers, eh? You gotta kind of figure... This is not gonna be easy, I can tell. Wow, it's gone. Hang on, ow. This is turning out to be more of a cartoon than... Ay, ay, ay. No, this is not like this. This is supposed to go... Can you see? I don't have it in perspective, eh? You put it down one way and then you put it down the other way. And now... Or it could be the other way. It could be the other way. Now, here I am. Well, this is a perfect example of YouTube, eh? I'm pretending that I'm Professor Gator, but here I am having a hard time. No, see, that one went perfect. Hang on. I wanted to show you something. See, these, oops, see these? They've been with me, these strippers, for a long time. And at the end of these connectors, can you see the amount of wire that I exposed? Not much, eh? Okay, hang on. Whoops, it's shaky, eh? You have to be forgiving. This circus, all right, eh? I said museum, but I should have said circus. Gator circus. We don't have no animals, but there's funny stuff going on all the time. Okay, now the circus never ends. I'm just showing you how much of a hard time I have sometimes, eh? Then you stick it in there. Then you bring it back to the first one, which is tighter. Don't squash the little locking pin, and boom! There. It's perfect. But now I'm gonna show you. I got pins all over on the... We're gonna strip... I'll take the blue there. A little... See this little stripper? The best. It's made by Ideal, eh? And you can tell by the by the looks of it that it's been around for a little while. Okay, now what we're gonna do here is this another technique. It's a technique that not as hard is we're gonna tin this. Whoops. Yeah. I hope I'm on camera. And the this is where there. See where the first crimps are? That's where you I hope I'm on camera. Now that it's tinned, we're gonna go in. How can I do this? How can I do this? Hang on. Be patient, people. Okay, I want you to see. No, wrong M. Yeah, I'm kind of left-handed today. There, that's good enough. Good enough for me and the girls I go with. But I haven't been going out too much lately. Now we're gonna take this off of here. Cut that out. Okay, and this is no small thing, eh, for a guy like me that's got big fingers, eh? Okay, now this is see, it's soldered, but now, okay, this is the finished side. So see, it's easier now. I can just put it in here. Just put it in there and bang. And it's that's it. Hang on. Yeah. Where's the little lock? There's the little lock. Yeah. Boom. I never said I was the best at this. We have a slew of them. Hang on, I'll back you out a little bit. We have a slew of them made, and we're gonna have to. That's not an easy thing to do, eh? It's real small. It's small and touchy. And for a guy like me, well, you do what you can. You do what you can with what you have. So, and that's what I got. I just showed you that I had a hard time. That's what I showed you. No, just to show you here on YouTube. That's the best thing you learn today. Is just because the guy's showing you something, it doesn't mean he knows what he's doing. Whoa, I just threw that all over the place. I'll have to pick it up. But you can't rely too much on people, eh? Because they'll lead you down the garden path, that's for sure. I had fun. That was more or less, hey, I'll do this, believe it or not. I'll fix this up, because I fixed it there on the bike. You can't see it. The bike's right there. Right there. You can't see it, but I fixed it on the bike. And with this, see, hang on, I'll take you off of here and then I'll show you what this new trottle is going to obsolete. I could have done without this, but when I seen that, because I think my trottle is cheap, because it's doesn't have, like, it's doesn't have much control. It's either the design or the the way it's made. Hang on, I'll take you off of here. Yeah, I'll take you off of here, and then I'll. There. You see the wires? They're all over the place. Two of them here. They're on the lawn. There's one more there. Okay, see there's the LED, LCD, and there's the throttle. But I think, see, everything's going to be mounted here now. But I'm hoping I'm going to have to put the brake tight to the handle and then put I don't know how. Hey, all this is exploratory, eh? See this here? Well, it could be mounted next to there. It could be mounted next to the grip. Yeah, I guess so. And then the wire will follow the others, go in the box, and then be connected inside there. But I showed you enough for today. This is see, I bought a box of these. These they call that Dupont connectors. They have a few names. Ah, another thing too, eh? See these tools with the jaws there? Well, the ones that are cheap. I'm not saying China, I'm just saying cheap. The jaws are cast, okay? And you'll find that you won't have, if you want you won't have good success with them. If you want success with tools, usually you have to buy decent tools, and then they won't give you a hard time. I still have a hard time. It's because see, this here is a Whiz. It's a Whiz tool. You know, Whiz, like the iWhiz. I don't know if that's the same company, but they're well made. They weren't cheap. Whiz. These are probably Swedish or German made or something like that. They look to be quality. The dies are well made inside there, and I like them. I just have to learn to work with them. Okay, this just dragged on long enough. Where am I here? Ooh, shaky, eh? Can I back myself up? Whoop, no. Ah, yeah. I was kind of too close, eh? Okay, folks, this is it. I have to end this. I had fun, but apart from that, we've learned that making these connectors is not a walk in the park. Eh? You can do them. If I can do it, you can do it, okay? My big fingers, they're not dainty and they're not made to do this. So if ever you have to make connectors like this, me, it's because I'm on an e-bike venture, eh? Okay, folks, that's it, man. If you got comments, you leave them in here, and if not, well, what can I say? I salute you all, and there's better ones coming, eh? I will see you in the next one.